Back at it here at the track with cousin Anthony. We got the race car ready. Cousin Lewis, apparently on camera. We got the race car running, ready and set. Tech fully passed.
I've never felt so ready for a track event.
You know, I'm actually excited for this guy, if I'm being honest, because he has never been able to do a full lap around this track. Not even a full session is probably like 10, 15 minutes. And the guy's never been able to do it. He'll make it like 2 laps and he'll have to come back. This thing is fully ready to rock. We got cousin Jerdy here too. He's getting his car all tech inspected, getting everything signed up just so that he can make it on too. And I got my car here as well. You know, we're just sitting out. We're being pit crew today. She's not doing much. You know, we're still working out her bugs. Got to go get her tuned and stuff. But you know, we're out here. Cousin Lewis. Cousin Lewis is about to get on the track right now. People are already on racing, but you know, you don't have to make it on right at the exact moment. We're gonna go get another angle of him. We got cousin Anthony. Guy's doing his loop for the first time, man. I can't even believe it. Cousin taking the Sunday cruise around the track. Got a lot of other cars on the track over here, as you can see. Cousin Anthony. Buddy Ray right there in the silver hat. K-Swap. Pretty soon we should see cousin Anthony showing up behind him. There he is over there. He's ripping it down the straight, fellas. He's doing it. He's gonna show up right over here. Things smelling like a Hondini running by me. Oh, there's cousin Jerdy. Oh, he made it on too. Surprise, surprise. Cousin Jerdy over there in the S2000. Oh! Jesus Christ, cousin Jerdy.
Basically the second
oh
one
man.
Right there. See, like I drifted? That right there. Basically over there. I lost it.
We got
This car is fucking terrible.
fresh off the spin out. What's your reaction, sir?
Isn't that bad?
Wasn't that bad? I got it all on video for you so you can see how that happened.
It's kind of some grass.
Yeah, pretty much. I saw that. I was like, oh, it looked like he ain't hit
You
nothing.
hit it too hard?
Nah, he was going around and he put the gas down and the car got squirrely. I seen it right there,
Yeah,
right
like
where the
coming out of that.
right where the
coming out of
vet's
that
going
turn
right there,
I
and
tried
the
to-
Civic.
I tried to speed up and I immediately just lost it. Like it was going straight and it still just lost it.
Let's go see brother Lewis.
Cousin got the grass everywhere on this yucker, yo. Oh my God.
It's on there.
Oh, you got grass in your calipers. Oh, you got grass everywhere, son.
Oh yeah, no, I ate that grass.
Surprise, surprise!
No, I mean my car's fine.
What happened?
I saw cousin Jerdy spin out. I was like, I gotta make sure everything like my because out there like it's super wet. So
It is. I can
so
see.
like on that back turn when you're like with that big when you're spinning like that, you're turning like the hairpin basically.
Yeah.
Like you're accelerating, the car just keeps going forward. Like it's not turning. It's,
Yeah.
It's understeering, so the car just keeps going forward.
One-
So I gotta like kind of like pin it a little bit, and
Yeah.
then when I go around, I want to get on it, but I'm afraid that I'm like
You gotta like blip the throttle a little bit, like measure it when you're going through there.
I was just like slowly going through it.
Yeah. So giving the update again. Cousin Anthony didn't have any problems. He saw cousin Jerdy spin out, and he decided to make an executive decision to check his car. Cousin's good though. You know that thing. He's built that thing right. You know that thing got no problems. We got my boy right there in the 4-door. Cousin got grass everywhere, bro. This is insane. Look at this thing. Uh-oh, collision on camera? You're good on this side. We got Cousin Anthony out there. The guy's pushing it. Oh yeah. He's giving the EF a run for its money. That EF is B series. Oh, he gave him the pass. Spraying the K24 hatch.
What tracks you got, Curtis?
EP3. When I go K-swap, I want to take out the swap out of my FA5. I told Curvis I got a dirty.
He lifted.
That's also another one of our friends right there. We got Cousin Jerdy right there as well. We got Cousin Anthony over here. Where's Anthony?
How many laps they got?
Oh,
Time.
we got Cousin Anthony coming down the straight. They got a Congo line going right there. Jerdy's a part of it. Oh, he's sending it now. There you go. That it is, and we've been talking about that. He's sending her. Yeah, that thing's smoking. I thought I seen the smoke on the shift. Straight now, okay. Cousin Jerdy coming down the straight here. Ray making a turn right here. We'll pick up on Cousin Jerdy right over here. No. How different is it?
I was gonna say, I feel like the photos are longer. Pretty sure you're gonna put music over all this shit talking, right?
Oh. Did I just see he got a little squirrely there? He also doesn't, Jerdy usually has a big old race wing on his car.
Oh yeah.
So, you know, it is handling a bit differently, especially at higher speeds. We got Cousin Anthony again. We got an M2 behind him this time. He's sending it with them two behind him. Oh, he gave him the point vibe. Oh man.
Brother Lewis, what happened? You were doing good, but then you pulled off. What happened?
It broke up really bad back there. So and then I was gonna get on it again to finish the lap, the session, but then we started breaking up again. So I was like,
Breaking up.
Yeah,
The race car's getting too much air, guys. He has to get it tuned.
Like it was like sputtering, like pretty bad when I was on the turn.
Have you done plugs or anything to this car?
I have not done anything. I just fixed the car from being crashed and I've been driving. That's it. I haven't done any repairs. I did an oil change for the first session.
Didn't you also do some suspension work to make sure?
Oh yeah, I did that, but like mechanical, like nothing. Just like suspension.
It was looking pretty good out there. It looks like the suspension it was a little soft going over some corners with it. We can see it leaning a bit.
There's a bump and everything. Like I gotta. This is damper suspension, so I have to damper it a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. I just haven't messed with it. I just wanted to go out, see what it needs, what it was like, and then start adjusting that way. You know, like we always come out with these like built race cars and like never race. So I like to do that. Like I'm enjoying doing it the opposite way, where like we're driving,
enjoying the process,
and then doing performance. So that way, like the car is at the same level that I am. It's not like the car's like all the way up here and I can't drive the car. It's like the opposite around. So it's doing pretty good. I enjoyed myself.
Looks pretty good.
I didn't break down. I didn't get towed off because I stopped before I had to.
There you go.
So there you have it. Let's see how this bad boy's doing under the hood.
Driving with the NRG.
Yeah.
It feels better.
It's much.
Carol just bought me a personal for Father's Day.
It's gonna be it's a very like tight, small steering wheel, so like everything's really tight.
Yeah, I like the opposite. I need a bigger wheel. How long is it gonna take us to open the hood up? There you
It was
go.
on this side. I thought it was on that side.
So I mean,
EKs are different.
everything's still there.
Yeah, I mean, I also think I was
No
burning
smoking.
oil because since I had
You
that
are
whole
burning
thing-
oil.
I am. Is it smoking?
Yes.
Nice.
It looks like yeah.
Cause like
On shifts we can see it.
since I have that hole in the shift tunnel, it I can smell it as I'm driving. So I gotta like next time I gotta make sure I clean that. But I gotta make sure I take the oil once it like cools down a bit. It's piping hot right now. Temperatures were cool. Gotta see why I was breaking up. Maybe we'll do spark plugs and wires for the next session.
Good
The check engine light went away. Actually, I want to channel the ignition switch so that it didn't just burn out like my truck.
Let's see.
All in all, sounds like an amazing session.
Yeah, the check engine light went away.
Okay. We're making progress on this
All I
car.
needed was a good beating.
A
And my
good
key-
beating broke her in a bit.
Yeah, my key, like my ignition's bad. My key flew out. I didn't realize I was driving. Like when I was driving, I heard like something like change in the bottom. And then when I parked, I was looking for my key. I noticed it was in the ignition.
This has the Ford mod.
It was pinned underneath that thing.
Drive without a key. Ford mod. There's Ray. Ray just made it in. Cousin Jerdy
Good.
should be pulling off.
Right there.
Gonna see him right there as well.
There's some people that are way faster than I am.
There's a lot of people that are way faster than you are.
No.
The only car that's
All in all, how was it?
Not my best.
Not your best? Well, we were talking about that the car is probably set up differently since you don't have the wing right now. It probably feels completely different.
Not really. I mean, the wing, you don't need that much drag on this small ass track.
Yeah.
Jerdy, you're still gonna handle different.
But at higher speeds, higher speeds is still gonna like, especially on that inner bend right there.
I need some
I was
tires.
taking turns like this.
Cousin Lewis is about to go on track. No. Cousin Anthony's about to go on the track now. How you feeling?
I feel kind of nervous. The car's
Your helmet looks goofy on you right now.
Does
Like, like. There you go.
the car was sputtering really bad, so I'm gonna go see what happens. I didn't do any maintenance. I just let it cool down.
She seems to be running a little better now.
Yeah, so let's see.
Yeah. I'm trying to tell this guy to just take this thing to AutoZone right after the track day and just go buy the spark plugs. As if spark plugs aren't like one of the easiest things to do on this car. People these days. Picking up a lot of dirt. We got Ray. our friend with the green Integra must have had buying the hat. Yeah, Ray over here. She's smoking a lot. Hopefully Cousin Anthony makes it through the session because that thing just started smoking crazy on that shift. I don't know what he did there. I missed it, but Cousin Jerdy kind of just kicked on him and he caught it. The guy's up there driving that thing. Oh, Cousin Anthony is staying on. Good shit, good shit. The car's still going. Oh yeah, he's sending it now, baby. Got a little excited, didn't get him on the first lap. Oh, that got spun out in front of me. Oh, there she smokes kind of at the same turn. There she goes smoking again. Oh God. Sitting down the straight over there. Who we got? Who we got? We got Cousin Jerdy coming down the straight again. Slowed down this time. He got a little squirrely there. Over there, he's going down the other way. Ray's over there giving the Super a run for its money. Look at him. You gotta record Ray when he comes back around. He's out there going fast. Super a run for its money on that straight. Yeah. Gotta love for a hatch, you know. Out there, it smells like a bunch of brakes. This car didn't let out that puff of smoke that it usually does there at that bump. We got cousin Jerdy over here again. Let everybody pass. Lap already. All the fellas are still going out there. That EG in front of him has the B series, and he's way faster in that case swap, obviously. They should all be wrapping up though. Yep. There we go. Cousin got a full session on track. His car did not break down today. Good job to that guy. She was sputtering at first, and we had a little smoke around over here, but all in all, great session.
Well, guys, just finished the third session, or yeah, the fourth session of the day. So we have maybe like another session, maybe two at most. But something just went bad with the transmission. On one of the turns there, I was downshifting to second, and halfway through the session, I couldn't shift into second. I had to like red bomb it to get even into second. So on one of the turns, I tried to shift down to second, and I couldn't shift anymore. So I don't know what happened. Something's wrong with my drivetrain. So I don't know. Let's see what happened. Yeah, I think I broke something. Yep. So we blew coolant. Well, my drivetrain looks good. My welded transmission's still on there. But I just blew a coolant hose. Oh.
I'm trying to make that.
Alright. So it's not as bad as I thought. So it looks like this just blew here. And I might be overheating. So I mean this is what I said, like the temp sensor beats like it's cool, but obviously not cool. Like there's coolant all over my transmission bolts all over here, but I wasn't smoking, so it's just releasing pressure out of this. But I definitely had a problem with my transmission. Let's hop back in. So see, like, I mean, it's allowing me to get through all the gears. So like first, second, third, fourth. Can't get into fifth. Can't get into fifth at all. Let's reverse. So first, second, third, fourth. There you go, fifth. But it's still not shifting right. So I don't know what's happening. If I turn the car on, I won't do it right now, but if I turn it on, it won't be good. Alright guys, so we have left the track. We were on the way home, but we're gonna have to stop by our cousin's house, cousin Jerry's house, because we need water and we need it now. The car's overheating. The transmission, there's some noise coming from the transmission, but I can still put it in every gear, so you know, obviously not under load. But we're gonna stop by Jerry's and get some coolant, water, and then we're gonna make it the rest of the way home. Go ahead, cousin Jerry. Oh, there's only air in there. Oh.
Nah, she already sounded like she already had cooled off.
Cooled off. This thing was heating up. I broke the transmission.
You broke it?
Yeah, it revs.
How did you break it?
You want to hear me turn it on?
I mean, sure, but that sounds like a personal problem.
No, it is a personal problem. Don't worry about it. We'll handle it.
But what did you break on it then?
I don't know. First and
Like
second.
a synchro?
Yeah, I guess
So what you taking off like in third?
No, I'm taking off in first and second, so it's just rattling like a box of marbles.
Probably one of the bearings. Or the throw-up bearing?
Will the throw-up bearing grind? I guess we'll find out. Well, here she lays. The clunker is clunking. So the transmission on this bad boy, or the clutch, something's completely gone now. It's stuck in like gear and we can't get it out. So I mean, I'm at cousin Jerry's house, but I should have drove it home. Now I have another car at cousin Jerry's house. So what we're gonna do is we're going to leave it here and hope that cousin Jerry fixes it, because you know he does this kind of thing. So unfortunately the clunker's gonna lay here until it's done clunking. So make sure you stay tuned for the next one, because we're gonna have to fix this clunker.